Okay, I'm done eating.
Did you eat on it?
Yep, just finished. Just came out of the pool. Gonna go off some ramps. Yeah, let's have a blast. What? The book.
Huh?
The book of the Bible. My, yeah. Ow. Okay, just gonna get on my flip-flops. Hang on. Okay, let's put you guys in the position. Get the ramp. That's a good position for you guys. Okay. Okay, I'm done whistling. My nose hurts. Anyways, the gun that I'm getting is gonna be coming with separate things. It's gonna go with one on a scooter, and then I'm gonna end this vlog today. It's because I only have 6 minutes to do this, and it's not that long. That's just gonna be today's vlog. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, going off a ramp today. Delicious snack. That's what this vlog should be called. And follow Romanatwood because he's the best. Let's go get me a scooter, and I'll go jump really quickly, and then say goodbye. Let's do this. Oh, I am gonna probably do a separate review of all the things that the gun comes with. That I'm buying from them. I don't think you guys heard that, but I'm gonna do separate reviews for every thing, the gun that comes with the gun and all the things. I'm gonna do a separate review with everything. Okay? So yeah, let's get to this. Okay, guys, that's all for this vlog. I'm sorry about it's too short. It's like how long? 4 minutes. We better get going. Forgot what my ending was gonna be like. I'm not sure, but this is Swagman or Airsoft Heaven or your guys' pick. Signing off. See you.